programmers give up on coding? Do you think it's hard? I am here to show you an easier way of developing a website. Let's dive in.
This is a Pizza website. It is an interface containing the navigation section where we have the home page, contact page, services, about us, and the login section. Why do we have the login section here? It is because before a user can have access to the available pizzas displayed on the website, the user needs to either log in or sign up. Now, let me walk you through the login section. Now, this is the login section where a registered user come encounter it before having full access to the available pizzas on the website. Now, let me walk you through the sign up section. This is the sign up section where a user who wants to have a full access to the pizzas available on a website come encounter it before navigating through the sign in section before having a full access into the available pizzas being displayed on the system.
Are you curious about how I was able to come up with this beautiful pizza website? Follow for more. Hit the notification button for the next episode. I remain Deborah, your #1 tech girl from Lincoln College of Science, Management and Technology. Education for all, impacting life. Let's code the future together.